Hi, I'm Peter Cameron from Lennox Corporation, and I get a lot out of chess. Chess really gives us three things from my perspective. One, you get to see a lot of people that you don't normally get an opportunity to spend time with, but they really are old industry friends, and so you get to catch up on lots of things that are going on in different elements of the business. Two, you get an awful lot of, let me say, intellectual stimulation from the speakers, because oftentimes there are topics that you didn't necessarily target, you haven't really been thinking about, but as you listen to the expert or the speaker talk about it, it really does bring you to thinking about those opportunities within your company and how it might apply. And three is, in this particular one, I'm actually looking for somebody to run a segment of my business. And I thought this would be a reasonable place to look around and see if I could find someone that I might be able to encourage to join Lennox in a specific application.